coaches and subject matter experts out there, and really anyone who's using high level or a white label version of high level. What I'd like to share with you today is the simplified version of how you can properly add in your domain and how you should properly put in domains for your funnels versus your websites, and properly connecting your www to your non-www when someone types in. So this is a common thing that's asked quite often and is frustrating for many. So I'm going to show you exactly how that's done today. Okay, let's hop right into it. Now, yes, this is high level. This is our version, which is called LFG, powered by Go High Level. It's got a few extra secret bits added inside, plus free training and a bunch of other excellent tools. So that way you can further become a better user without struggling and frustration. Inside, in this test account that I have here, I'm going to go down to sites and go down to settings and then domains. Okay, and I'm going to click connect a domain, and I'm going to put in here www. the domain that you purchased. So for me, for example, I'm going to put in lfgmarketing.co, and I want to uncheck if I also want to add this, and I'll explain why later because there's going to be a redirect for that. So click continue. Mine is purchased through GoDaddy. So inside GoDaddy, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do on that inside. Many times it'll say authorized domain right here. So let me click authorize, and then it should bring up something in here as well where I can click connect, and it is now part of it. Fantastic. Okay, then it takes us back to this screen where it is then authorizing. Now, doesn't always work perfectly in here. So I want to show you, and hopefully this is a case where it doesn't. Okay, it did work. It is successfully connected. And let's just say I want to link that with I would want to link that with any type of funnel and blog, and I can show you exactly what that looks like as well too. Now that I'm in GoDaddy, I'm going to switch over to GoDaddy where my domain is hosted here. And you can see that the CNAME was added properly and done correctly. So this is just a brand new domain that I purchased, for example, that I use for email outreach and marketing. That's for another topic. But I can see here that the CNAME www goes to whatever page I will assign it to inside my LFG account. However, an A name is where the non-www version comes in. So for example, if you go to google.com and you don't type in www.google.com, it needs to redirect you to what that subdomain is. The subdomain is the www. So here it says parked. What I'm going to end up doing is deleting this right here. And instead, I'm going to say forward, add forwarding, and I'm going to do a permanent. If someone types in lfgmarketing.co, then they're going to go to HTTPS, S means secure, and then go to www.lfgmarketing.co. That's permanent, and click save. Great. Now, this is what you need to do as opposed to adding both of them in your LFG or Go High Level account. Now, once I'm back here, I can connect this to whichever funnel or website or blog that I have. Now, let's say, for example, I want this to connect to a website. I would connect this to one of the main websites here. And it would be the homepage, and click proceed to finish. Very simple and straightforward. And I can do something like that right now. So you can see what the end screen looks like. Great. Also, this is for the www. Now, for example, if you want to host a blog, that could potentially be blog.lfgmarketing.co. If you want to host events, that could be events.lfgmarketing.co or events.obviously yourdomain.com or .io or whatever it is. It's replacing the www, which is the subdomain, whatever type of subtopic you want to put in. Most common you'll see out there for funnels that ads are running to are go.thewebsitename.com or .io, whatever it may be. So if I want to connect another domain in here that goes to a funnel, I can obviously do that. And I would type in here go. In this case, .co. I would click continue. Click continue right here as well. And again, I can authorize domain through GoDaddy, or it may ask me to do it manually, which you can go in and add it manually. Okay, again, it'll come up with this screen to connect. I'm going to type in click connect, and it is now connected. Now on this back end, it brings me back and it'll say authorizing, for which whenever it's done authorizing, it'll give me the green light and the same type of screen again. Do I want to connect that to a funnel, a blog, anything along those lines? And typically I connect them to funnels. So here, this is where you would type in, pull down, select which funnel you want, and then proceed from there. Let's say I want to do a sales funnel that I have that's in place. I think it's a default one. I'm going to proceed and finish here, and it'll obviously connect immediately right to there. Great. Now, hopefully that was helpful for you to get your page set up and your domain connected and understand if you're connecting to a website, a blog, a funnel, or anything other, and what that subdomain is and how to connect it properly. This is a big sticking point with so many that brings lots of frustration. And I have training calls on this every single week with everyone who uses the LFG tool. So if you're currently using High Level or considering High Level, again, my tool LFG is the exact same thing. However, we've added and supercharged so many additional features inside of it with 24/7 customer support, weekly training calls, and more for the exact same price you would pay with High Level. So if you're interested in that, the link is below. Or if you're interested in working with us at LFG for your coaching, consulting, mentorship, or subject matter expert service-based business, we'd love to help. And I'll have a link down below to apply to see if you're a good fit and what we can help you with, whether it be a do-it-yourself model, a done-with-you model, or a done-for-you model. If you liked what you saw here, I'd love for you to subscribe, leave a comment below. I'm always engaged and happy to help out whenever there's frustration involved with online services, especially because, let's be honest, you may not be a marketing master or be the most savvy with these types of things. So why not help? Again, thank you so much. Please be sure to subscribe and comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.